This video introduces the procedure for using the virtual safety function. First, let's review the prerequisite knowledge required to use the safety function. Next, assuming the sample device configuration and requirements, we will explain the procedure for achieving those requirements in 3 steps, consisting of configuring safety function parameters regarding safety inputs and outputs, configuring safety function parameters regarding safety limited speed, SLS, and configuring the robot installation position regarding safety limited position, SLP, and then lastly, we will perform an operation check. First, let's take a brief look at the safety functions of the robot controller. The safety board inside the controller is used to monitor and control the speed and position of the robot. This can be used to achieve an application that safely controls the robot. Conventionally, the actual device was required to configure settings. However, settings can now be done using a simulation. The safety functions primarily consist of these functions, and simulation support is as indicated. The simulation safety function can be used in the standard edition and above. Using these functions allows you to use the virtual controller to check the operation of the safety functions. As the response time and stopping distance vary from the actual controller, we recommend setting the safety functions using the following procedure. Here, we will use the device configuration shown here, considering the operation of taking out workpieces from a processing machine in the rear and sorting them into the left and right pallets. We will consider a case of operating the safety functions linked to the signals from safety mats and light curtains. This shows a simple illustration as seen from above, the image seen here, and these are the requirements we aim to achieve. Place the robot and objects in the simulator. Set the safety inputs and outputs in order to configure the SLS and SLP. Start up SFM from the Tools menu. Configure the safety inputs items. Refer to the illustration and table regarding supported equipment, safety inputs, and safety functions. Next, configure settings for SLS. Here, we enable speed monitoring for the hand and set the maximum speed to 2000 millimeters per second. This allows the system to stop the hand if its speed unexpectedly exceeds 2000 millimeters per second. Next, configure settings for SLPA and SLPB in that order. Here, we set the area in the XY plane of the world coordinate system, as shown in the figure. The parameters to be entered in SLPA and in SLPB, respectively, are indicated in the table. When settings are complete, click Confirm. Click OK. Click OK on the warning pop-up. First, check that SLPA and SLPB have been reflected. From Layout on the right side, find Safety function and then select Monitored Areas and place a check mark in Visible for SLPA and SLPB. Next, actually operate the application and check that the safety functions are enabled, starting from I/O control. Click plus on the I/O screen and display Safety Board. Specifically, check the operation of SLS1 and SLS2. Double-click Status for Safety in 1 and enable SLS1. Due to this, operation is performed only on the right side at low speed. Next, check SLS2. Double-click Status for Safety in 2 and enable SLS2. Due to this, operation is performed only on the left side at low speed. Next, check the operation of SLPA and SLPB. During operation in the SLPA area, double-click Status for Safety in 3 and enable SLPA. Due to this, the robot stops when the item is enabled. Next, check the operation of SLPB. During operation in the SLPB area, double-click Status for Safety in 4 and enable SLPB. Due to this, the robot stops when the item is enabled. This completes the operation check. We hope that the setting procedure introduced thus far will help you use the virtual safety function. When migrating to the actual device, restore a backup of the virtual controller to the actual controller and adjust the safety function settings and operation program, checking the operation starting from low speed